This is a First Alert Weather Special Report.
Good afternoon. As expected, we are seeing intense thunderstorms developing across parts of New Jersey. We do have a tornado warning that is in effect until 1:30 for Ocean County. So we are watching a cell near Browns Mills. It is just about to cross into Ocean County, and this cell is capable of not only producing a tornado, but also very damaging straight line winds. So as you can see, we've got the radar here. It is just lit up. We are seeing intense, very heavy rain. We are seeing dozens and dozens of lightning strikes with this system. So it's a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning, both in effect. So we're watching a lot of activity right now. We want to go ahead and track this cell for you. So there's one cell that we're particularly concerned with right now. So let's go ahead. You can see it here. And as we take it out here, because it's moving at about 40 miles an hour, that would put it near Crestwood Village at about 127, Manchester at 129. So just to give you an idea of this system, moving toward Lakewood at about 136. So again, we have not spotted a tornado on the ground, but this is a system that is capable of producing a tornado, and of course those straight line winds that can be just as damaging. So it's important to note that this is the beginning of what we anticipate will be an active afternoon, and so tornado safety is something that we want to remind you of. If you are in Ocean County, you need to go to the basement or the lowest interior room of your home. You need to stay away from windows. You need to get under something sturdy. You want to cover yourself with blankets or a mattress, and worst case scenario, you do want to go in a closet. Remember, this is a tornado warning that is in effect until 1:30, but we have a number of severe thunderstorm watches and warnings. Just take a look. As you see our First Alert satellite, you can see that we've just got a line of thunderstorms here that are moving through. Some are severe, and so we're watching those in effect until 2:15. Remember, so we have one cell that particular cell has a severe thunderstorm warning until 1:30, another until 2:15, but basically you can see so much of central and southern New Jersey is lit up between the approaching thunderstorms and then, of course, the watches and warnings that correlate. So we've got a lot going on. I do want to widen out if we can and show you that central and southern New Jersey, generally speaking, is under a severe thunderstorm watch until 6 p.m. That means anywhere in this area, we could see a severe thunderstorm developing this afternoon into this evening. If we can go ahead and put up a radar, I'd like to show you a wider radar of the tri-state area just to show you what's going on here. So we do have other thunderstorms that are pushing into parts of northern New Jersey. We do have some rain that is just plain rain that is moving into parts of New York. So let's go ahead and take it a little bit wider even and show you that. Just want to show you big picture what's happening across the tri-state area. So here is sort of the next batch of thunderstorms. So far, no warnings issued for those. But again, this is the kind of afternoon that we are anticipating. So right now we do have a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning that is in effect for about another 10 minutes. So if we go ahead and continue to track here now, this is the second system expected to be in Jackson at 126, Atlantic City at 136, but Brick by about 140, Long Branch at 151. So we're watching a number of things here. I know it can be a little difficult to look at and to see exactly what we're seeing, but the short version is intense thunderstorms. This red color lets you know that we are seeing torrential downpours. Now, this system is racing. It's moving at about 40 miles an hour, so it is a fast mover. Still, you want to take cover. And if it is heading in your direction, you need to take cover. You definitely want to cancel outdoor activity right now and take shelter. So we're looking at these strong storms, heavy, heavy rain. Remember that with any severe thunderstorm, it is not only capable of that intense rain, but damaging winds, lightning strikes that can be deadly, but also hail. So remember, that is something we saw on Wednesday. So we're looking again, we keep, refreshing this and sort of showing you as it is moving to the east here at roughly 40 miles an hour where it's going to be. And so Manchester at 129, Lakehurst at 131, Pine Ridge at Crestwood at 131. So this is just to give you an idea of how quickly this is moving. So let's go ahead. I want to take another view. Let's see if we can't take some of these warnings off just to take a look at the radar itself. Sometimes when we take some of these layers off, it'll help you see what's happening. And so that's what we've got going on here right now, right? So we are looking at these intense and severe thunderstorms that are pushing through parts of central and southern New Jersey, and you can see hundreds of lightning strikes that are showing up here here on radar. And then we look to the north and things are starting to get a little more active, a little more intense for just west of northwest New Jersey, near Sussex County. So again, you do want to take cover. I think if you are in the middle of something where you were about to run an errand, now's not the time to do that. You do, of course, want to implement all of the safety measures. So let's go ahead. I want to show you again what is necessary if you are in Ocean County, if you are in the path of this thunderstorm that is capable of producing not only a tornado, but extremely damaging straight line winds. You want to head to your basement or the lowest interior room of your home. You want to stay away from windows. You want to get under something sturdy. You want to cover yourself with blankets or a mattress. And worst case scenario, you want to go in a closet. Of course, we will bring you the latest information and any additional tornado warnings that should pop up this afternoon or this evening. But with that, I will leave you now and just say, stay safe.
This has been a First Alert Weather Special Report.